Hey, this is JNM with a new Unity tutorial about the Unity 3D Game Kit and how to restore health when the player makes use of a health crate. First of all, let's open the Interactables folder and drag a health crate into the scene, like that. And then I start the game and take some damage because of these aggressive attacks. That hurts, but now let's go to the health crate and nothing happens. So it seems like that we forgot to add something, and what we have to add is an onEnter event for Alan, the player. So I press this plus icon for the interact onTrigger script. Then I search for Alan in the scene, not in the assets. And she has a damageable script with the method resetDamage. I select this and then we can start the game again. And I let the player take the damage as before. Okay, but now let's go to the health crate and the damage is reset. Alright, but now you ask why so complicated, why we have to add a method to be called. Well, it is more flexible. Suppose you don't want to restore the health fully, you just want to gain perhaps 1 health point when you reach the health crate. And in this case you can open now the damageable C# script and write a custom method that is called when you open the crate. Instead of resetDamage, let's call this perhaps descrease, and in this method I check if the current hit points are less than the maximum hit points, and if this is true I increase the current hit points, and then call on resetDamage to notify the framework about this new hit point number. And now in the editor, instead of calling the resetDamage method, I call the new one decreaseDamage. For the sake of this tutorial I added the method to the damageable script, but it is better to derive a subclass and add the method in this one so that it won't be overridden when you update the 3D Game Kit. Okay, last time we start and take damage and move to the health crate, but now we just gain 1 health point. Yeah, great. Okay guys, I hope you liked this one for resetting damage in the Unity 3D Game Kit. If you find this interesting, then let me know and don't forget to subscribe and add your questions or ideas to the comments below. Support this channel by being my patron and I'll see you in the next one.